Walk. She walks to school every morning. Run. He runs to catch the bus every day. Jump. The child jumps over the puddle to avoid getting wet. Crawl. The snake crawls through the grass. Glide. The eagle glides across the sky. Swim. She swims laps in the pool every morning. Roll. The ball rolls down the hill. Eat. She eats an apple. Sleep. He sleeps at night. Stand. The teacher stands in front of the class. Drink. They drink water after exercise. Write. I write a letter to my friend. Talk. They talk on the phone. Listen. He listens to music. Watch. We watch a movie. Cook. She cooks dinner for her family. Clean. He cleans the kitchen. Drive. She drives to work every day. Ride. He rides his bike to the park. Laugh. They laugh at the funny joke. Cry. The baby cries when hungry. Dance. She dances at the party. Sing. He sings a song. Play. The children play in the playground. Study. She studies for her exam. Work. He works at the office. Rest. They rest after a long day. Buy. She buys groceries at the store. Sell. He sells his old car. Catch. The player catches the ball. Throw. She throws the ball to her friend. Open. He opens the window. Close. She closes the book. Learn. I learn to play the piano. Teach. The teacher teaches the math. Build. They build a sandcastle. Paint. She paints a picture. Plant. He plants flowers in the garden. Swim. They swim in the pool. Carry. He carries the groceries. Smile. They smile at the compliment. Borrow. She borrows a book from the library. Lend. He lends his pen to his classmate. Wave. She waves hello to her friend. Shake. He shakes the bottle of juice. Grow. The plant grows taller each day. Shout. She shouts to her friend across the street. Whisper. He whispers a secret to her. Cut. He cuts the paper with scissors. Wash. He washes his hands. Brush. She brushes her hair. Knit. She knits a scarf for her friend. Draw. The child draws a picture of a house. Peel. He peels an orange. Bake. They bake a cake for the party. Fry. He fries the potatoes. Boil. She boils the eggs for breakfast. Melt. The chocolate melts in the sun. Enter. He enters the room quietly. Exit. They exit the theater after the movie. Charge. They charge their phones overnight. Unplug. She unplugs the toaster after using it. Arrange. They arrange the chairs in a circle. Dial. She dials the phone number to make a call. Hang up. He hangs up after talking with his friend.